Do you or someone you know is struggling from vitiligo? If yes, then maybe you should watch this video. Today I'm bringing out a video for you for all the viewers in Karnataka who've been struggling with vitiligo for the past few years and are starting to lose hope with what they have. So my name is Dr. Samyak Dhawan and I'm a consultant at Kayakalp Global, where we've been treating vitiligo patients using an integrated medical approach, a holistic approach, and I'm very proud to say that over the last 30 years our team has achieved results of 93 to 95% success rates, either via phone calls or video consultations or physical consultations, and we have a success rate of 93%. Like I said, we've consulted more than 2 lakh patients so far. So before we start this video, I'd like to tell you guys to please subscribe to this channel. We're Kayakalp Global and we create a lot of videos. We put out a bunch of videos every week regarding vitiligo, be it informative videos, be it testimonials, vitiligo patient success stories, recoveries, and how to use medicines and all sorts of stuff. So before we proceed, I would urge you to subscribe to this channel. Now let's proceed. Let's first understand why somebody who's in Karnataka would want to look for vitiligo treatment outside of their city, right? So now I know a couple of physicians, I know a couple of people who are doing some fantastic work in this field. Unfortunately, a lot of treatments that are out there in the market cannot do 2 things at the same time. Any successful vitiligo treatment requires the combination of 2 things to be labeled successful. One of them is to stop the spread of new patches from coming on your body, and secondly, to bring old color back into your white spots. And the color that is being formed should be such that it is exactly uniform. It matches the old skin so that it looks as if a white spot was never there in the first place. And I know that there's a lot of treatments that you've tried in the past. Some of them are able to produce color for a while, alright, but they can't stop the spreading of the disease. Now some treatments may be able to stop the spreading of the disease, but then they're not so competent at bringing the old color back, whereas Kayakalp Global's treatment protocol is the only treatment protocol where we're using a combination approach of both modern medicine as well as traditional medicine, which allows us to bring both the entities together and bring out results that have never been seen before. Let us talk about a journey of a patient who's in Karnataka who contacted us using WhatsApp. It's a very simple protocol. You just have to call us or WhatsApp us the pictures of your white spots, a couple of pictures of your white spots on our WhatsApp number. Now our executives will then transfer those photographs to me or to our team of doctors who then reviews the case. We call you back, we take a full detailed history of what's going on with you, how long has the treatment, how long has the vitiligo been there, what all treatments have you tried in the past, are you on any medications right now? Do you have any existing comorbidities such as blood pressure, sugar, thyroid, or any such disorders in your family? Any other autoimmune conditions in your family? Once we've had a very detailed discussion of who you are as a person and what you're going through, we're then able to create a customized plan for you. So let's talk about a patient's journey. But before we proceed, if you're liking the information I'm putting out so far, please do like this video. And if you have a question regarding your vitiligo or your white spot, please feel free to comment any question that you might have so that me or someone from my team will then be able to answer that question in our next video. So a patient then contacts us using WhatsApp. He sends us a clear picture of his white spots. We take a detailed history like I first mentioned, and then we call the patient back at his convenient time. And then we explain exactly how long will it take for the treatment in that person's case. Now, everybody's recovery is not same. Every person is different. Every white patch is different. It also depends on the location of the white patch, whether the white patch is on the fingertips or the white patch is on the lips or the white patch is on a bony area or whether the white patch is on the palm or the sole. So depending upon the location and then how old has the white spot been, is the white spot milky white in color or is the white spot just coming out, is the white spot spreading or is it stable in nature? So depending on all these variables, once we understand that, we're able to create a customized plan for you. Another great aspect of this treatment is that vitiligo treatment is not rocket science anymore like it used to be in the past. With the advent of telemedicine and especially COVID, we've all noticed a boom in telemedicine consultations across the world, and vitiligo or dermatology in particular has especially benefited with such advancements in technology. So now just by looking at your white spot, we're able to tell you in exactly how much time, we can tell you the exact time frame of recovery, what spot in what area will take how much time to recover and what is the recovery percentage of that spot. That's the expertise that we bring to the table for you now. So once you've received your treatment, we make sure that we send out proper instructions, whether it's through WhatsApp. We make sure we assign a coach to you. Now that coach's sole responsibility is to be in touch with you every few weeks. We call you, we understand the progress in your case, whether your white spots are shrinking or not, whether your white spots are turning pink in color or not. Once you apply our Surgeon Plus ointment, you will notice after 2 weeks, your white spots will start to turn pink on sun exposure, and that's a sign of recovery. If you're an old patient watching this video and you notice that your white spots are not turning pink, even after adequate sun exposure, please feel free to comment, or please feel free to call us at the number given on the prescription pad between 9 to 5 any day of the week. We assign a coach to you, that coach stays in touch with you. The coach is a liaison between you and me, right? Because it's very difficult for us to have a direct channel of communication with all the thousands of patients out there that we have. So we assign coaches to all of you guys, and that coach then brings your history back to us, telling us about your progress and everything. And if everything is going fine, we can ensure you that now vitiligo can get treated at the comfort of your home in complete privacy. It's not like old times. So I hope that this video has been informative for you. If you like the information that I'm putting out, please feel free to check out other videos on this channel. Please subscribe to this channel to motivate us, and do not forget to ask a question to me in the comment section. Thank you.